A drone that completes the mission but irritates everyone below it is not ready for everyday life. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamarul Islam. A topic that will matter more and more is drone noise intelligence. As UAVs move into cities, campuses, inspection zones, and delivery corridors, noise becomes more than an engineering side effect. It becomes a public acceptance issue. That means future drone design must care about propellers, sound profiles, route planning near people, altitude choices, time of day constraints, hover duration near sensitive areas, and maybe even noise aware autonomy. Because in real life, communities do not judge drones by control accuracy, they judge them by how intrusive they feel. My 2026 view, the drone systems that scale socially will not be the ones that only optimize for efficiency. They will be the ones that learn to reduce disturbance while staying useful.